Bengal, Jharkhand and Orissa are earmarked for redevelopment. Jaleswar is one of the major stations of Kharagpur Railway Division of South Eastern Railway. It is located in the Balasore district of Orissa on the Howrah-Chennai main line, serving Jaleswar town and adjoining areas. The master plan of redevelopment of Jaleswar station has been proposed with a budget of Rs 23 crores. The new station building will be built in contemporary style, keeping icons of the past. Development of station building with segregated arrival, departure and air concourse, providing easy passenger